Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the CPU throttling test in the iQOO Neo 7 Pro on the day one after the unboxing. So just today only friends, I did do the unboxing of the iQOO Neo 7 Pro and I'm interested to see how is the CPU throttling going on in this iQOO Neo 7 Pro device with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. And we'll try to monitor the temperatures as well, how much high temperatures the phone is increasing while doing this testing. So right now let me to select the 100 threads and we'll try to see how is the overall performance going on regarding the throttling as well. So in the beginning the temperature is about close to 29 degrees Celsius. As you can see friends, 29 degrees, and right now using the 100 threads and 15 minutes I'm going to start the CPU throttling test and we'll try to see how is the temperature going on and how is our graph maintaining while doing this CPU throttling test with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor in the iQOO Neo 7 Pro. So this is just the day one and without any software updates. So this actual performance out of the box in this iQOO Neo 7 Pro. So maybe with the future updates we might be able to see some kind of stable performance or different kind of results, but at this moment these are the results you can actually expect from the iQOO Neo 7 Pro. And I'm going to be back after some time again to check the temperatures, what's happening in this iQOO Neo 7 Pro device. So right now as you can see friends, after getting close to 7 minutes or kind of close to 8 minutes of time, so this is what the graph looks like, the throttling graph. And right now if you take a look at the temperatures, it's about 38 degrees Celsius. And you can see the clock speeds, how it maintained between all of these 8 clock speeds as well at this moment. And slightly I can see the throttling happening a little bit, but it's kind of close to 80%. So I'll definitely do the side-by-side comparison with other Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor mobile phones like OnePlus 11R and Realme GT Neo 5, Realme GT 3. Then we'll see the difference what's happening. So right now as you can see friends, after getting close to 15 minutes of time, these are temperatures and these are the CPU throttling test results in this iQOO Neo 7 Pro with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. And CPU total up to 77%. So you can see the high scores, average and the medium scores as well. So next time I'll try to compare with other Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile phones. Then we might be able to see the actual difference what's going on with this device and other devices. For example, OnePlus 11R. So which got released a couple of months back, the OnePlus 11R. I'll try to use that phone to compare with the iQOO Neo 7 device regarding the CPU throttling test. And we might be able to see the difference what's going on as well. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and bye.